Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is about how to download and install Android 13 on your low-end PC. No guys, I am not joking. After watching this video you can also download and install Android 13 on our low-end PC. For that, BlissOS help us to use Android 13. So let's start this video. BlissOS is an Android operating system for computers. And it can mainly designed for low-end PC. And it is free to use. So time to talk how to download BlissOS for Android 12L. Sorry guys, it's not Android 13, it's Android 12L. First open any web browser in your computer. And type BlissOS 15. Then click on the BlissOS dev download sourceforge.net. Then click on download. After that wait for 5 seconds. OK, the ISO image start to download. For that you need a software called Advanced Android x86 installer. Download link is in description. Select the ISO image OD BlissOS. Where you downloaded it. Select the easy and safe option. Give the name as Android OS. In this stage we need to select the user data storage. So select 32 GB. Select the drive to install BlissOS. OK guys, our BlissOS started to install to our hard disk. Guys, in this software we don't need an bootable drive. OK, our installation is completed, then press finish and restart your computer. After rebooting, your Android 12L is ready to use. And you need to configure it like an Android phone. So that's for today guys, thanks for watching.